Hey everybody, I'm Navitz here on behalf of the Warp World team today, and I'm going to be showing you how to set up a text-to-speech bot that'll allow you to do this on your stream.
Is this thing on?
Bam, there it is. Okay, jumping right into things. To use the Warp World text-to-speech service, you will need A, the Streamlabs chatbot, and B, I will assume that you already have some type of streaming software. I personally use OBS Studio. Here it is, and that is what I'll be using for reference today. As a quick side note, the chatbot on for Streamlabs is different than the cloud bot. The cloud bot is a newer bot that's based on a cloud-based service, whereas the chatbot, which is here, is a bot that you need to download and install on your local machine. If you're still confused about which bot to download, I will include the links in the description. I'll also include links for our streaming software that you can download as well. Now, here we are. This is the chatbot. Pretend like I just installed it in front of you. You guys will go through the installation process yourselves, and we'll talk about how to set up basic command for your text-to-speech. Before we do that, let's find out how to get to our text-to-speech. So we will start on Google. Type Warp World text-to-speech and click on your first link. It's going to give you the text-to-speech setup page. This will also be in the description, a direct link to it, but there are basically two things that you need to transfer to two different areas, and that's going to be A, our browser source, and B, our Streamlabs chatbot command. So our browser source will go into our streaming software. For me, it will be OBS Studio. I'll bring it up in a second. And our chatbot command will go inside of our chatbot, and I'll take a quick minute to explain how that works. So before we implement, let's just explain that you can also customize, because you need to customize your options. Every time you change your custom options, you will need to update your Streamlabs chatbot command, and I'll show you how that works right now. So we can modify how our bot works and change the bar color for the message. We can change the font color, and we can change the font outlier color. So it gives you customization options. You can also update the font itself, the font size, and then we have voice settings where we can switch the voice to a different speaker. We can change the volume. We can change how much it costs to play if you are using the in-stream currency of the Streamlabs chatbot, which you most likely maybe not if you're just installing it for the first time, but you can change the currency. So you can see as I type 1000 here, it's also updating it down here in the chatbot command. Now we're going to take this chatbot command and we're going to copy it. We're going to go to our Streamlabs chatbot. We are going to make a new command, or if I already have one, I could edit mine. If I wanted to make a brand new one, I could call it say2, and I would go ahead in the action response, I would paste this chatbot command right here. Okay, now the final step in the process is just to take the browser source and paste it inside of your streaming software. So I am using OBS Studio. I'm going to bring it over here. We're going to go to our sources section. We're going to click plus. We're going to click browser. We're going to add a new one. We're going to pretend I'm doing that. I just added it so I wouldn't have to go through the process of doing it again and create this stupid screen that you guys are seeing. Sorry. Open it up and let's give you guys vision here. So we would go into the URL section and paste this browser source that we just got from here. We just did that. We set our width and our height to our resolution that we're streaming at, so 1280 by 720 for me. I click OK. Now the bot command we have already created. It exists right here. Also, just so you know, you can set this as a subscriber only thing if you want to, or only allow your moderators or editors to use it. You can customize the settings inside of Streamlabs chatbot itself, and we're going to take a final guess to see if it's going to work, a final test to see if it's going to work. Exclamation mark say2, our command. So that's the trigger. And will you please speak with me? Let's try this one final time and see if we've got it.
Will you please speak with me? That
is ugly, but instantaneously we've got our text-to-speech coming forward. So that's how you do it, guys. Thank you everyone for watching the tutorial video. If you have any questions, please go ahead and leave them in the comments section, or you can check out the Warp World Discord. Again, one final time, relevant links will be in the description below. I am Navitz, and this was a Warp World tutorial on the text-to-speech streaming service that we've created for you.